And then what is one strategy on being successful in real estate investing?
There are there are two activities you need to get really good at to be successful in any real estate market. It's finding deals and finding money. If you can find deals, like right now, deal finders are a huge asset, right? If you can find deals, you're gonna be able to do a bunch of deals and get involved in a bunch of deals. 5 years ago, very easy to find deals, much more difficult to find money. So today it's easy to find money, hard to find deals. 5 years ago, easy to find deals, very hard to find money. If you can do those two things, you will have success no matter what happens in the real estate market.
Mm.